In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace a page in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This can be incredibly useful if you need to update a single page in a larger document without having to recreate the entire file. First, you'll want to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Make sure you have the correct file ready and that you have Adobe Acrobat Pro DC installed. This software is essential for making edits to your PDF files and is known for its robust functionality and user-friendly interface. Once the file is open, navigate to the All Tools tab. Here you'll find a variety of options and tools that you can use to modify your PDF. For our task today, look for the Organize Pages option. This is where you'll be able to visually see all the pages in your document and make the necessary changes. With the Organize Pages tool open, take a look at the page thumbnails. These thumbnails provide a visual preview of each page in your document, making it easier to identify which page you need to replace. Click on the thumbnail of the page that you wish to update. This will highlight the page, signaling that it's the one you'll be working on. Now that you've selected the page to replace, take a look at the options available under the Organize Pages tab. You're looking for the Replace option, which you should see under the Page options. Clicking this will initiate the process to swap out the page with a new one. At this point, a file selection dialog will appear, allowing you to choose the new PDF file that you want to use as the replacement page. Make sure the file you select is ready and has the exact content you wish to replace the original page with. This step is crucial because the new file will overwrite the existing page in your document, so double check your choice before proceeding. After selecting your new file, a Replace Pages dialog box will appear. You'll want to confirm your selection by clicking OK. This action will finalize your choice of the replacement page and prepare the software to make the change. Finally, a confirmation dialog box will make an appearance. This is an additional step to make sure you're certain about making this change. Go ahead and click on Yes to confirm. Adobe Acrobat Pro DC will then process your request and replace the original page with your new selection. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced a page in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This method not only saves you time, but ensures that your documents remain organized and up to date. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.